Okay, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Beautiful day. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How is your day going? How is everything over that side? It's a weekend. It's a weekend. Tell me. How is your day going? How has it been? All right. Have you managed to look at your chats today? What has gone down on your side today? So come through. Let me know. Let me know. Okay, the fact that it's a weekend, we come through with beautiful and amazing vibes. But always Lena comes through that way. So please let us get it started. Let us see how the day is going to go. Okay, let's go. Okay, so over there I'm seeing that is Froilan over there. Hi, how you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, all right. Watching in from Saudi Arabia. I see you over there. How you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, that is Ephraim. Right, and people want to learn. People want to learn. Let me tell you guys, it's the way to go. It's the way to go. Let us learn. Let us get the knowledge that we need. And then we dive into the market. We collect what we have to collect from there. The market is rich, right? So we just need the knowledge and then we cash out. All right. Brian Obama, today is your birthday. All right. Happy birthday to you, Obama. Happy to always have you around. Let me, please, guys, as we are coming through. Today is Brian Obama's birthday. Let us wish him a very, very beautiful birthday. Okay, so please enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Okay. There, Froilan still wants to learn the strategy. Okay, all right. And Sonji says, early today, happy to have you around. Happy to see you come through. Thank you guys for keeping time. So, on my end, I will also not waste time. We shall get straight into it. So, as people are coming through, you're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you in the build. Going. Why not? Why not? As I make my trades over here, let me also take us through the strategy, because very many people are interested. Which ones are you guys using? Which ones are the strategies that you have been using or that you are using? On my end, I use pure price action as my strategy, and shortly we shall be diving straight into it. Maredi, I see you. Hi Maredi, how are you doing today? You are very, very early. All right. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you on that other side. Happy to see you. I'm so excited that you are around. So why not? Why not? Let us get into it. Let us dive straight into it without wasting any time. Okay, so when we talk about pure price action, what are we looking out for? I'm going to have the strategy here. At the same time, I'm going to be carrying out my trades. All right. So pure price action, it entails market direction, market structure. Market structure is the it's literally the backbone, all right? It's the backbone, it's the framework, it's everything for us to actually place in a trade into the market. Okay, so market direction, market structure. Then we also have to know about the candlestick patterns, the candlestick behaviors. How are they? Oof, oof, oof. Hey, it's a weekend. I'm not out here to get any losses. No, 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 no. No, no, please. I need to cash out. I need to get some money for the weekend. Okay, so that is a beautiful one. That is a beautiful one. Okay. All right, and then we close in a plus. That is amazing. All right, so let us get down to it. So when I talk about market direction, what exactly am I looking at? Market direction, I basically look at what direction is the market taking. All right, there definitely we look at okay, Froilan is asking what indicators are you using? So for the indicators, I use the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. I use two indicators as Lena. On your end, probably maybe you could use one, two, but do not go beyond three because now it will be too congested. It will be a lot, right? Okay, so there we close in a plus. So I'm using the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. Both are set at default, all right? They are both set at default, and these two indicators help me so much. They help back up my strategy. Anyone who is a trader here, I would advise, and it's a must for us to have a strategy that we are using to trade. Not just coming through looking at indicators and you feel like that is it. All right. No, 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 no. Have a strategy that you hold on to, that you know that, okay, whenever I'm to go into the market, this is the tool that I'm going to be using, all right? Or this is my guideline. This is what is taking me through in my trading. Let the indicators just be a backup, all right? Let them back up, but have other confluences that go along with that, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay. Why not? Why not? Why not, guys? It's a weekend, so let us take it slow but definitely very seriously. Okay, so with the market direction, as I was saying, we look at three directions in the market. All right. Whenever I talk about that direction, look at three directions. That is the uptrend or the bullish direction. Then we have the bearish direction or the downward direction. Then we also have the sideways direction or the consolidation. All right, so those are the three directions. When we are looking at the uptrend, that simply means that the buyers are in control of the market. All right, you agree with me? Then when we are looking at the downtrend, it means that the sellers are in control of the market. When we are in the consolidation or the sideways direction, it simply gives us a picture that both the sellers and the buyers are in the market, but there is a pool of ropes right there. So we are not so sure who is going to take over, are they the buyers or the sellers? For someone who is just beginning, wait for that hustle to first settle, for that storm to first settle. Let the direction be defined. Then you are going to know the particular direction that the market is taking, who has won the battle. In simple terms, like I'm using those smaller terms such that we understand. I do not want to use big terms, because on my end that is not how I learned. I learned on smaller terms, and things became very easy for me. So I also want to make it as simple and very easy for us. So definitely there you identify that, okay, the buyers are now in control, or they are gaining momentum, or yes, we are having this particular, we have broken above, something like that, or we have broken below. All right, so that is for the market direction. For someone who is a beginner, this is what I would look at so much. On my end, as you see here, I use 15 seconds to trade. All right, 15 seconds to trade, at times 1 minute, other times maybe 30 seconds, depending. But if I'm at a smaller time frame, then for someone who is a starter, for me, it's okay to remain in my smaller time frame. I do not have to keep switching charts from one chart to another. But for someone who is just beginning, please, it's feel free and feel okay to keep switching to a higher time frame to see what the market is up to see who is in control of the market in your higher time frame. It will clearly give you a picture of what is happening, of what is going to happen in the smaller time frame. You will find that in the smaller time frame, probably maybe we are having pullbacks here and there. Then also you find that that how should I call it? How should I call it? You find that the lower lows are dropping. We are not having so very many lower lows. Then, okay, I'm talking about the uptrend now. Then that is when you know that, okay, in the bigger time frame or in the higher time frame, we are in an uptrend. So eventually, in the smaller time frame, we are going to align with what is happening in the higher time frame. All right, so when you are experiencing that in your smaller time frame, you could place in some trades, but you have to be a bit careful, because you might end up experiencing a loss. Okay, but higher time frames help you so much identify what exactly is going to happen in that smaller time frame. The higher time frames help us identify, okay, we are in this particular direction. Then when you come in the smaller time frame, you place in your trades. Okay, so that is with a what is it called, with a market direction in simple terms. Okay, so there we also have we shall be having the market structure. With the market structure, like I said, it is the backbone of it all. All right, you know, when I start talking trading, I think I go from one part to the other, and then definitely I even forget to say hello to my beautiful people over here. But today, at least, let me take us through such that by the time of the donations, we have had it. Okay, since people today have come in early. Okay. Okay, so when we talk about the market structure, like I said, there we are definitely looking at the market moving in series of higher highs and higher lows for the pullback. and then definitely the market moving in series of lower highs and lower lows for the downtrend. So definitely there, when we go to the uptrend, when we go to, okay, let me place in a buy position over there. Someone is saying you are not even trading. Okay, let's go. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. So here we are. Let us take it one step at a time. Okay. Okay, so when we are having the higher highs and the higher lows, that is, we are having an uptrend. So to get a strong point over there, as we monitor our sell position over here, that is already a plus. There are those entries that you have, and then you just know over here I have it. Okay, so what I was saying is that so to get a strong point, it's understanding the that strong low that pushed the market to break the previous high, and after that break of structure, you definitely anticipate a pullback. For very many of us who have been in the market for quite some time, when we experience that pullback, we definitely plus in our buy positions for the uptrend. Then for someone who is also still starting, for someone who is just starting, you definitely right there, after having those candles, we know very well that we have broken a structure. You just know that we are going to have a continuation. So it's right by you to place in buy trades as well. All right, so that is for the uptrend. Hope we are together over there, right? Okay, so then when we come to the downtrend, that is when we are looking at the lower highs and the lower lows. Okay, so definitely when we are having those series of lower highs and the lower lows, so to get a strong point, you definitely have to understand that strong high, all right, that pushed the previous, that pushed the market to make to break the previous low. And after, okay, just trying to organize donations over here, but we are together, all right? So as I was saying, to get a strong point, you need to understand that a strong high, okay, that pushed the market to break the previous low. And after that break of structure, all right, that break of structure, that simply means we have broken the lower low. We are now continuing down. Okay, so after that, definitely there, you just know that we are having a continuation. So the thing is, we always have that for the uptrend, we always have that lower I have a lot of information that keeps screaming in my ears. So after when we are having the higher low and the higher high, right? So when we are looking at an uptrend, okay, this strong low that we are looking at, first to get that clear point, we need to know how, like, it being pushed to break structure of the higher high, like it breaks above that previous that that previous higher high that we had. So that way we know that, okay, right here we are continuing. Actually, one thing you should do, I've just put something small on my Telegram. just wanting us to be on the same page. I've put something small on my Telegram where we are looking at a break of structure. So when we break structure, what happens? I know some break of structure may be false, so we also have to keep an eye on that. But when we have that break of structure, definitely we are looking at another continuation, or we are looking at a continuation in that particular trend that we are in. All right. Okay. So that is it. Then when we come to the candlestick patterns, or the candlestick, how the candlesticks behave. Okay. All right. Let me see someone here as we proceed with our candlestick patterns. Okay. That is Angula. Okay. We are proceeding down, as we can see over there. That is beautiful. Okay, so now, my dear, this is, I think that is George. This is pocket option, not forex. Okay. Okay. Edwin is in the building. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. All right. Abe, tell me more about OTC, please. How long did you trade this? Okay, so for the OTC markets, as you can see over here, I am trading OTC market charts here, as you see. And I am on the platform, I am on the pocket option platform. That is number one. I'm trading binary options. So whenever you see the OTC, that should clearly give you that I trade throughout. I'm not limited by weekends or public holidays, all right? The market is open. Over the counter, I have an open market. I trade throughout, okay? So that is with the OTC. That is with the OTC markets. It looks scummy. Don't know why. It's because you do not know how it works. So on your end, for someone who is used to trading forex, and someone who is in crypto trading, when it's your first time to see, okay, so for someone who is just coming through and you have not done this before, it is something that is done on a smaller time frame. We mainly deal with smaller time frame, unlike the forex that you are trading. So for us, we deal so much in the expiration time. That is what we deal with. Like as you can see on my chart, it is 15 seconds. That is what I deal with. And when the expiration, when I get the expiration, I'm either closing in a plus or a loss. Okay, so I do not have a stop loss, a take profit. I do not have all that. So with binary options trading, that's how it works. Okay, let's go. All right. I have someone who said earlier that for him weekly they trade something else. Probably maybe it could be forex, or it could be crypto. I do not know. Then over the weekend they do binary options. So you could try it. You could try it and see, because in my bio over there, I do have the link for pocket option. You could check it out and see if it works for you. Well and good. If it doesn't, you can stick on what you know best. But on my end, I would prefer to actually be cashing out some money or making some money over the weekends, right? Why not? Why not, really? So that's what some people do. That's what some people do. So that's what I can tell you about the OTC markets. Okay. Okay. To start, I've been a crypto trader. Okay, but I've been in the market for 5 years now. But in binary options trading, I've been there for three years, three coming to 3 years, around there. Okay, let's go. So that is it. All right, so I'm saying Raphael is saying, can you make a short video to explain that, please? Okay, let me see. But one thing I'm going to request you guys to do for me, keep following those small series that I keep putting on my Telegram channel. They will help a lot. They will help a lot, because actually today I've put something small where we had to identify which direction the market was going to take, meaning we were looking at market structure. So you check it out and then we see. You keep letting me know such that we keep improving day in, a day out, okay? Okay, so that is 350. That is 350. Having our donations over here. Let's see. Okay, so our friend here has been putting in 6 attempts. So now we have reduced to 3 attempts, all right? Okay, so that is our first win over there. Let us see. Okay, Abe, have you faced withdraw issues from a broker? The one that I'm using, I've actually not experienced those issues of withdrawing for as long as I meet the withdraw terms, right? I've not faced. I believe probably maybe the people that keep facing those issues have not met the terms, okay? Have not met those terms, but on my end, for as long as I know all the boxes are ticked, I've not faced any issues. Okay, let's go. So as I was trying to go through, so we are going to just take this slow as we carry out our donations. Okay, so Abe, thank you for coming through, and thank you for the inquiries. But one thing I'm going to tell you is that I have a pocket options link in my bio. You could check it out, and then also I know you're seeing people's names over there. I believe it's your first time coming through. So definitely over there, you are going to see those names and you're going to ask yourself now, what is going on? Okay, so what is going on is that people send in their money and I do trade for them. So still, that donations link is also in my bio over there. just check out everything. Probably maybe it will clearly open your understanding of binary options, and definitely how to use the pocket option. Okay, so let us proceed.
Concrete jungle, street lights flicker. Every corner got a story. Every shadow's a whisper. You learn fast. You move slow in the city that never sleeps. This is how we grow. Yeah, born on the street lamps, mama praying at night. Daddy disappeared. Life taught me to fight. Blocks full of hustle. Siren slice the light. Every wrong turn taught me wrong from right. Cash flow low. Dreams high as the skyline. Learn patience and pain in every hard line. Lost some homies, they gone before they time. Turn grief into bars, now my words prime. Corner prophets preaching, but I wrote my own gospel. Cold nights, hot streets, dreams full of hustle. Friends turn foes, life's a constant tussle. Concrete made a king, flexing muscle to muscle.
Days never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every crime made us kings in the city all the time. All streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb made us kings in the city over time.
Now I move through avenues, echo in the past. Graffiti lessons, old hustles cast. Some made it out, some shadows didn't last. Every choice I make, calculated, steadfast. Late nights, cold corners, rhythm in my chest. Every loss a lesson, every win a test. Trust earned slow, loyalty expressed. From the gutter to the booth, I manifest. Enemies plot, but I stay like a phantom. Silence is armor, words of my ransom. Block raised me tough, pain made my anthem. Concrete dreams alive, no fear to rain.
Streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb made us kings in the city all the time. No streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb made us kings in the city all the time.
Now I look down from the rooftop view. Money and fame close, but the streets stay true. Cold nights haunt me, still I push through.
Okay, so we are taking it for the last attempt. Let's go.
Lessons in pain and struggle we dwell. Crown feel heavy, but I wear it well. Concrete forge kings, you can hear it in the yell. Legacy written where the street lights gleam. Big dreams born in the city's extreme. Every night a battle, every day a scheme.
Okay, so Abe is asking me, do you trade live every day? Yes, I do trade every day. Every day, that is 3 p.m. Canadian time. Okay, Uzuchu, so sorry about that. Okay, that is about the sound. Sorry about that. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. in Sonji, but my chart doesn't look like yours. Okay, so the reason as to why you are experiencing that, it's because YouTube has a time lag. Okay, has a time lag, so you find that I am a few seconds behind your chat. Okay. Okay, my ready. I see you over there. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So let us keep going. That is MHD. You're welcome. Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing all right. Thank you for coming through. Okay, so you want to learn, make sure that we are together every 3 p.m. That is a Canadian time. Every 3 p.m. we come through, and definitely that will be made easier for you if you have subscribed. You will definitely be having a notification that I am going live. So you join in every single day. I make sure that at least we come through and learn a few tips here and there. Okay, when we have those tips and we get that experience together, definitely we manage to learn a few things here and there, and we improve on what we know and what we have. How to join you in your Telegram channel? The link is in my bio. Please check it out. The link is in my bio. You click on it, and definitely we shall be together. But please, guys, those small series that I keep putting there, please keep going through. You never know. You never know. You actually not. You never know, but you will definitely learn something from it. You will get something from there. Okay. Because even me who puts them there, when I keep going through them, I'm like, okay, you know, we just keep equipping ourselves. We just keep equipping ourselves. That is it. And once it comes to trading, why not? Why not keep equipping yourself? Keep going. Okay. Hi, Lekala. How are you doing? Lena is doing great. I'm doing amazing over here. How are you doing on your end? Let me hope you are okay. Already is already in the building. Let's go. Okay. That's amazing. That's amazing. Uzochi is asking me, have you ever been so fractured that you nearly quit trading? Hey, ask me about that. You can ask me once again. You can ask me once again. That has happened. It has happened to me. And I actually first disappeared for some time. First of all, the losses that I was making, they were driving me crazy. You get, those losses were driving me crazy. So I reached a point and I was like, you know what? This is a very, very wrong decision that I've made. So it has happened to me. It has happened to me. Not nearly quit trading. I did. I did at some point. I did. That's it. I cannot even pretend that, I've been here never to go, here to stay. No, 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 no. With those losses that I was making, I reached a point and I was like, you know what? This is not made for me. This is not made for me. More so when I started now having to borrow money to trade, you get. So it was not easy for anyone who is starting. That feeling is very, very normal. It's very, very normal. When you have it, one thing I'm going to tell you is the fact that I went through it. So this is what I will tell you. If you get that feeling, relax, relax, and then come back fully loaded. But that point, it happened not once, not twice. You know, when I say when I say I've been trading for 5 years now, I do not want you to sit there and think that it has been a smooth road. It has not. It has not. It has not at all. At all. Okay? So do not sit there and think like, okay, people are trading, people are doing good for themselves, people are doing better. Even the other friend of mine that I know about is doing good in trading. They are not telling you certain things. But trading, let me tell you, it can humble you, it can shape you, it can do all sorts of things to you. It can make you look like you've never had brains. It can make you look like you're the worst person, like for you taking too long to learn. All those things, you face them. I'm not going to tell you that a bed of roses, never, never, never. So please just hold on to that feeling is normal. It has happened to me, it has happened to any other trader. All right. And to make things worse, the fact that I am a lady, I reached a point and I was like, you know what, maybe this is a mistake. The people who encouraged me actually did not think about the fact that I cannot handle this pressure, you know. But at the end of the day, it comes back to you. Do you want to do good by yourself? Because me sticking here and trading, I want to do good by myself and by whatever I have to do with my life or in my life, okay? So it's always up to you. What keeps motivating you? Me being financially free, ooh, whenever I think about it, I'm like, hey, let me stick around. Let me stick around. So it happens, my dear. It's not up to you alone. All right. Okay, that is Thwain. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. You know, when we are sharing, we have to give also the hard points such that people know that they're not going through it alone, but we are here to lend a hand where we can. Okay. So we had a plus for our first participant. That is Olin, 350 US dollars, 6 items. Okay, let's go. Simon, Simon, Simon. Hi, Simon. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I'm seeing someone called Jesus. Lena. Okay. How you doing? Thank you for coming through. Asazid. Hi, how are you? Hope you are okay. Hope you are okay. I'm happy to have you around, guys. David. Okay, David is in the building. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are amazing. Okay. Okay, Abe is asking me how much is the fee from one trade the the broker took. Okay, don't know if I'm understanding properly your question over here. David, yes, my dear David, we are going to be talking about that strategy every single day, every day, until at least people have understood exactly what is going on with my strategy, right? So just keep coming in early such that we are both on the same page. Okay, keep coming in early. We shall both be on the same page. Okay, Blessing is in the building. Hi, Blessing, how you doing? Hope you are okay. Happy to have you around. Kashan, I see you there. I see you there. Okay. That is unknown. Hi, unknown. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Generation, how you doing? How are you doing? I do not know, but these days you come in when we have finished with our strategy. Why? Why do you want to keep breaking my hearts? But, anyways, every day, I've promised that every single day, we are going to be talking about the strategy. So, if you've missed today, you've missed yesterday, do not worry yourself. Okay, do not worry yourself. We are going to catch up on it. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Now success got taste, but it came with ghosts. Love turn envy when the bag get close. Fame ain't freedom, just a different dose. Still trying to stay grounded when the cameras post. My reflection talk back like remember the block, them cold nights, hunger pains, prayers on lock.
Okay, remember we are taking it for 6 items. It looks like the buyers are going against us. Oh dear. Okay, so sorry about that. On our third attempt, that's when we have made a loss. So sorry about that. That is Olin. Okay, our first participant has always been coming through with 6 items. I think just sat down with himself and was like, you know what? Let me get down. So, Olin, all right. Anyways, you ask and I have to deliver. I do what I know how to do best. Okay. So sorry about that, Olin.
On your shoulders. Every brick, every block got a story to tell.
Okay.
I ain't just rapping, I'm remembering. From broke dreams to gold schemes.
Okay, so I'm saying Abe here is asking there. Okay, there is a fee from the profit. The broker cut how much? Okay, so Abe, one thing I can tell you, like David has replied, when we come to this broker, that is pocket option, no commission, no charge on your direct profits that you have made. So definitely there are no charges, no charges. Okay, thank you, David. Thank you so much for your participation. I do appreciate you so much. Okay, so generation says network issues. Oh, my dear one. So sorry about that, but we are always going to be together. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. We are together. I got you. I got you. Okay, so next. Okay, that was David. Ready comes through. Yes, yes, that is very, very true. Thank you very much. Lekala over there, I can't remember how many times did I take a break. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. So I cannot tell you guys otherwise, you know. One thing you should know is that for some of us, you know, there are those people that know that we are brilliant, okay? You sit down and you are like, I know I am a brilliant person. I know I'm very, very intelligent, but there is a way the market makes you look the opposite of what you believe in. You get. So you reach a point and you're like, just to keep my mind, just to keep my peace, bye bye. All right. So, Lekala, you're very right. You're very right. And definitely, if I tell you otherwise, I will have lied. I will have lied. That is Kenny over there. Okay. And it looks like I am trading with Kenny over here. Thank you so much. Happy to have you around. Sazid. Hi, how are you? Trading with Sazid as well. Okay, so for the MACD settings, they are set at default. Thank you, thank you. Jolly, hi Jolly, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Yard over there. Okay. Okay, the other thing that on my end, like whatever I share with you guys, it's from my experience, all right? It's from my experience. I use I use the indicators to, is it called to complement or is it called to back up my strategy, all right? But I like Yad is saying, there there are things that we need to pay more close attention to. Okay, that is the market structure, know about the market direction, know about the candlestick patterns. All right, that way, at least you know that with those number of confluences, you can achieve what you want to achieve. Okay, we do not rely on just one, that okay, let me rely on the indicators. I would not advise that, because you find at times that even the indicator is giving you a false signal. So what are you going to do about it? And then you have placed in a trade. All right, so we need to have we need to rely on other confluences. When at least we have like 3 boxes ticked, you're looking at your direction, the market structure. Okay, we have the direction, the structure, the candlestick behavior. Then definitely there, at least you have ticked some boxes. Then you place in your trade, not just focusing on one thing. All right. Okay. So let's go. Okay, that is a Jig. Hi, how you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Thank you for coming through. Guys, today it is a Saturday and I'm so happy to have you around. So happy to have you around. We are still going on with our donations. That is Unastar 500 US dollars. We are looking at 2,000 as our take profit. Okay. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, all right. I see Valerie. Hi, Valerie. How you doing, my dear? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. That is English point reception. Okay. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing.
Brooklyn spirit, worldwide hunger. This one's for the dreamers digging diamond. Let's talk about it. Hey,
Born in the chaos where hope wore handcuffs. Dreams get tired, every breath cost us. Mama cooking prayers, trying to stretch one crust. Waterland, Lord,
Let's go.
same old thrust. Fiends on the curb, talk about better days. Hustlers on the grind, trying to dodge their praise. I was young, scribbling rhymes in them alleyways. Seeing cops spray blocks like a shadow play. Had a heart full of hunger, mind full of plots. Pocket full of change, but my faith ain't right. Street to the pain, that's the price I got.
Okay, so David over there is giving a response, and one thing I'm going to tell you, my beautiful viewers, my beautiful audience, is that one thing we can do together is come here, get a few tips on trading. We share our different experiences, we share knowledge, right? Then, if you can, please have somewhere, not a few things that you feel are beneficial or are going to help you in improving your trading. Then, in your free time, please, you feel free, you apply them, and then you come here and you let us know. Let us know how everything is going. There we can keep monitoring together, all right? So have a notebook, keep writing down a few things here and there for as long as we are live, for as long as we are here, such that you keep improving, one step at a time, one step at a time, we shall get where we are going, okay?
success got taste, but it came with ghosts. Love turn envy when the bag get close. Fame ain't free, just a
Okay.
dose. Still trying to stay grounded when the cameras post. My reflection talk back like remember the block, them cold nights, hunger pains, prayers on lock. Now I'm popping corks where the sirens knock, but I never lost soul, just switch my stock. I still carry them lessons like hidden scars. Still write my truth over jazz guitar. You can polish a crown, but the paint still marred. From the curb to the charts, I became who we are. We ain't just survivors, we architects. We build castles out of struggle,
Turn broken glass into gold.
turn broken glass into reflections of greatness.
Ashes in the air,
Ashes and ambition,
that's the legacy.
that's the legacy.
Big love. Big love.
Okay. Let us proceed. Remember, we are looking at 2K as our take profit. Okay, Lekala, I am with you over there. Yes, that is very, very true. Learn. Get as much information as you can. Trading becomes very, very easy. What you're saying is actually very, very true. What you're saying is very, very true. I had a number of strategies, but according to me and my spirit and my understanding, I decided to settle for support and resistance, then pure price action. So the knowledge that you have gathered helps you so much to choose exactly what you have to do, right? Or what you should settle with.
The skyline shimmer, but the scars don't fade. Success tastes bitter when it's pain made. Still see ghosts in the alleys I play, where the innocent dreams got hustled and betrayed. Every dollar earned got a name engraved. Every friend lost left my heart to pray. But I
Okay.
self-made and brave, turn my downfall into the gold.
Yes, I love that, and that is very, very beautiful. That is very beautiful. Lekala and Maredi. Yes, please. Take time, learn. If you feel like taking a break, do that. Come back fully loaded, and then start from there.
Now I'm looking down from a penthouse pane. Same block still whisper my name in the rain. I ain't changed, just rearrange the game, new frame. Same hunger in the flame. I move with ghosts, tone, mic and them. Still pour a little out when I toast to them. The fame don't fix what the nights condemn. It just magnify the scars deep within. But I'm grateful.
Okay,
Every L was a test, every test success.
that is okay. We have someone all the way from South Africa also wants to learn. Okay, so definitely using pocket option, I have a link. I have a link. Go to bed. I have a link. Oof. Oh, so sorry about that. That is for Unasta. On our second attempt, we have made a loss. We have made a loss. So sorry about that. Okay, so that is Bilen 352 attempts. Okay.
Some written in chalk, some in chains, some in champagne. Me, I just write mine in pain. Let's talk about it. Born where the shadows teach survival and sin. Dreams die young where the sirens begin. Mama praying on her knees for the rent again. While I'm scribbling schemes with a pad and pen, no headset.
Okay. So we have someone else who would wish to learn as well. Please always keep coming through. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. All right. We come through, we get some tips on trading, and then we move together. Zitha is in the building. Hi Zitha, how you doing? All the way from South Africa. So one thing I can tell you, just keep coming through. Just keep coming through. At least I know you will learn something. You will improve in your trading. I don't know how far gone you are. Are you a beginner? Are you someone who is in the middle there? At least you have been trading. You're somewhere. Or how far gone are you? How far gone are you? Okay, Lekala needs to know. So Abe over there, you're welcome. You're welcome. Abe is saying Let's see. Definitely, momentum is very, very important. Okay, so Abe, other chat is the same when it is not Sunday. I keep having different chats. Okay, we could be having maybe gold OTC chats. We could be having um, which other one do I usually use? We keep having different pairs over here, but yeah, it also depends, really. It also depends. So we keep having different ones, right?
Every block got its kings.
Some crowned by fame, some by pain. You don't earn respect in the light.
Okay,
You earn it in the dark when no one
Zitha, that I okay. Okay, so Zitha, I'm still a beginner. Please feel free, feel at home. We welcome you. As you can see, you even already have people who we are going to definitely be moving with, right? This is a big audience. Okay. All right. Okay, so all those whatever you are talking about, I cannot know, but we bless you over there. So good thing, at least people are here, people are getting connected, people are getting to know each other, people are moving in lines of trading. So why not? Why not? Why not? Let us make this money. Let us learn. Let us make this money. Let us improve ourselves. And you never know. Why not? The fact that we are building a big audience, we could be like, all right, end of year, we are connecting in this particular country. You never know, guys. People start small like this. But then at the end of the day, you find that people have actually built an amazing community, an amazing, beautiful thing. So why not? We keep going. Let us first focus so much on our learning, on getting to know things the way they are supposed to be, enter into the market, milk it, and there we have a plus. Okay, let's go. Okay. So definitely, maybe I'm seeing different places. That is a wheat bank. So you never know. You never know. There will come a time when I'm like, oh my goodness, I would love to go to South Africa. I have my people already there. I want to go to Nigeria. I have my people there. Jamaica. I have my people there. Maldives. Oh my goodness, I have people everywhere. I want to go to Zambia. I want to go to. We are moving all around the world, so let us stick to the chats. All right, do not lose it. Like Lekala says, let's keep learning. Let us pick out that strategy that we have or that we feel at heart that this is doing for me things that way I want them to be. Okay, and like Lekala says, it's very, very important. Let us get that information that we need. Let us get the knowledge, and then after getting that knowledge that you need, you have very many options to choose from, okay? Other than being limited to this particular one because so and so, okay? So let us get it going. Life is good. Life is good with you people in it. So thank you so much. Let's go.
This is brick and soul. Grew up in the cracks where the cold wind fight. Mama praying at midnight, trying to keep it right. Daddy gone missing, left me with the fight. Concrete jungle raised me sharp with
Okay,
oversight.
so that is for Bilan.
Eyes, friends switch
Hi
lanes.
Bilan, hope you're okay. Hope you are doing well.
In disguise, turn scars into
Let's
butterflies.
go.
Cash, skirts, ambition thick like syrup. Late night scheming, wanna feel the
Okay.
hurt. Block taught me truth, pain taught me worth. From shadows to the mic, now watch me ascend. So we rise through the night, walk through the fire, chasing the light. Every scar, every tear inside made us kings in the city tonight. So we rise through the night, walk through the fire, chasing the light.
Okay, so that is beautiful. Simon says, Lena, please, I want to be like you. Oh, you are so good with this. Thank you, my dear one. Thank you, my dear one. Definitely. Just keep it going. Take it one step at a time. We shall be shining together, and that's my mission. We all have to get there, all right? We all have to get there. So Mystic, that is 350, 1,500 as our take a profit. Okay.
Now I look down from rooftops at the skyline. Fortune closed, but roots of struggle intertwined. Money don't erase, nice to chill the spine. Every bar I spit, every line divine. Yeah, pour a little liquor for the lost and gone. Every triumph on the nights I pressed on. Crown feels heavy, still I move strong. Concrete kings rise, legacy lives long. Hustling hard, the code I live by. Dreams in the city where weakness say goodbye. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Brick and soul whisper, kings never die. Yeah, the streets speak. Shadows
Let me buy over here.
every corner. Every struggle shapes the king in you. Brick and soul. We ride, we grind, we live.
That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we are breaking above. Okay. Abdul. Hello, Lena. Hi, Abdul. How you doing? Hope you are okay. Happy to have you around. It's a weekend. It's a weekend. Why is this time's weekend finding you? Why is it finding you? Let's go. Okay. Ooh, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. The day is still young. The day is still young. So let us get into the market. It's time to do some fishing. Okay. Let's go. All right. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Definitely after that pullback over there, I just saw us closing in a plus. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Look down from rooftops, skyline in my eyes. Fortune closed, but struggle never lies. Money can't erase the nights I survive. Every rhyme I spit, every bar alive. Pour some liquor for the lost and gone. Every triumph haunted, nights I pressed on. Crown feels heavy, still I move strong. Concrete kings rise, legacy lives long. Hustling hard, code I live by. Dreams in the city where weak men die. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Concrete kings whisper, we never die. Yeah, the streets talk, the shadows watch. Every corner, every struggle shapes the king in you. Concrete king. We rise, we grind, we live.
All right. Okay, so our take profit was 1,500. Okay. Not bad at all. For as long as we have a close in a plus. Beautiful. Thank you. A cliff over there. I see you. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you in the building. Over here, the vibe is in the air. Weekend vibes. Let's go. Okay, Abdul over there. Thank you. Okay, so that will be Tether wallets. Beautiful. Lay 700 US dollars. We are looking at a take profit of 5,000.
Rhythm in my chest, every loss a lesson, every win a test. Trust earned slow, loyalty expressed. Concrete forged the king, manifested and blessed. Enemies plotting, but I move like a ghost. Silence is my armor, my words cost the most. Block raised me strong, pain made my boast. Concrete streets whisper, every line's my toast.
Okay, that is Vaden. That is Vaden. Hope I've pronounced it in the right way. Yes, my dear, I do trade over the weekend. Why is that possible for me? It's possible for me because I am trading OTC markets. Those markets are open throughout the week, Monday to Sunday, public holidays. Basically, what I can say is that I am trading an open market, okay? And my broker, that is a pocket option, I'm trading binary options, right? Beautiful. If you need to know much about the broker, please you can check in my bio over there. The link is right there for you.
Streets remember, we rise.
Okay, the color over there.
We live.
All right. I see you. I see you. And the color is getting there. Is getting there. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for sharing. That is what we have to have here, all right? We learn, we share, such that anyone who is just coming through, they also at least go away with some noted tips, right? So thank you for sharing. I feel blessed to have you guys here.
Sirens sing lullabies, dreams float in my head. Turn pain into rhymes, now my words spread. Patience in my pocket, confidence in my stride. Learn the streets language, where most men die. Concrete toward truth, I never had to lie from shadow to spot.
Okay, so David is asking, I do not know. Okay, for sometimes when I'm actually trading, did it happen yesterday? I think it happened the other day. I was on gold OTC, but because of that volatility, the high volatility, I had to actually switch to another pair where I switched to silver OTC. I was actually trading gold, but it was crazy. So I could not afford the losses. I could not afford those losses. So I had to switch the pair, all right? So it being time might not um, time might not be so much, but for as long as you are trading and you are experiencing that very fast market movement, then you can as well switch the pair that you are using, all right? Because you find that the other is actually better. I've been doing it here so on very many occasions as I'm trading, but you see that I'm getting very many losses using a certain pair. So I end up switching, all right? I end up switching. So if you experience that, you could as well just try to switch the pair that you are using, and then you see how it goes.
Every night aside, empire blocks, remember, we never die. The streets talk, shadows watch. Every struggle shapes the king in you.
Empire blocks,
You are welcome. All right. That is for Lekala and David. So let us proceed. Remember, we are looking at a take profit of 5K. Beautiful. We are already at a 5, at 2. Let us keep going. Oh dear. Oh dear. So sorry about that. That is for Lay. Oh dear. So sorry about that. Tavern. We've been taking it for 6 attempts, but now we are dropping down to 4 attempts. So let us give it a try. and we see.
Concrete forged the king, manifested blessed, enemies plotting. But I glide like a ghost. Silence is my armor, my words cost the most. Block raised me tough, pain made my boast. Concrete streets whisper every bar's my toast.
Concrete legends, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never face defeat. Every scar, every story we meet made us rulers of the city, undefeated because
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rooftop view, skyline in my eyes. Fortune close, but struggle never lies. Money don't erase nights. I survived every rhyme I spit. Every bar alive, pour liquor for the lost. The gone, every triumph on it. Still I press on. Crown heavy, yet I move strong. Concrete legends whisper our legacy lives long. Hustling hard, code I live by. Dreams in the city where weak men die. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Concrete legends, remember we never die. Streets talk, shadows watch. Every struggle shapes the king in you. Concrete legends. We rise, we grind, we live.
Ooh, today we've taken it slow with the donations. Ooh.
Brooklyn nights, concrete lights. Stories written in the smoke, you feel me? This one's for the hustlers, dreamers.
Guys, the other one thing that I will keep singing about is timing. Timing. All right? Timing, very, very important. All right? Because we could have a setup, everything is okay, everything is clear. We have ticked all the boxes, but if you fail to, once you spot an opportunity, please enter immediately. All right? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oof. Enter immediately. Some of the losses that I get, you might find that maybe it's not even, you find that maybe it's not even with the market, but entering late. Okay, once you spot an opportunity, enter immediately. That is one thing that I'm going to keep talking about until we learn about it. I've sung about risk management. I know at least by now, very many people know best not to just enter into the market just like that. All right. So risk management, I've talked about it. Timing, I'm also going to talk about it. Okay. Remember, we are dealing with smaller time frames. So let us utilize them, let us use them correctly, and then we get what we get and we call it a day, right? Okay, so definitely we have a broken above. That is beautiful. Okay, so definitely over there, that was a break of a structure. So what are we up to? Right over here, we are definitely having small pullbacks over here. So let us see. Remember, we are taking it for 4 atoms. So let us see. And if you are not in the moods of trading, please just come through and look at these charts. Okay, just come through and look at these charts. It helps you keep in check. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, so definitely there we had the trend continuation, but right now definitely we are coming back. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Excuse me. So we just have one more attempt to go. That is for Pest Bella. Let us continue. Please. There I say the buyers should behave. Let us make our plus in peace. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go. Zitha. Okay, you have been responded to by the color over there. So that's how we do it. In the building, I see Patrick. Hi, Patrick. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Thank you for coming through. Okay. I'm ready. To be true, the day has actually been having a lot of activities, right? You know, however much I am a full-time trader, you find that there are some personal things that I have to handle here and there. So that running, I woke up very early. Today, so that's why. But I'm good.
We don't run from where we came from. We build on skyscraper dreams. They don't fall. One love, Brooklyn forever.
Okay. Just one attempt is what Azal Knox is looking for. Okay, Patrick, I'm good. You might be there telling me, and I'm just your neighbor over there, all right? So you may be there. Oh dear. Okay, anyways, that is our first attempt. Let us give it one more attempt. We see. Okay, Lekala is asking me, Lena, are you trading Forex as well? No, I'm not. I used to trade crypto. For Forex, I just used to hear about it, but I've never given it time. I gave crypto so much time, and I locked in. So when I got to know about binary options, I just fell in love. I just fell in love. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. Okay, so Lekala, are you into Forex? Are you planning on having it, or have you been having it? Okay. My spirit has never settled with that. I don't know. I don't know. But I have friends, like I told you. I told you I have people. I have friends who are traders. I have family people who are traders as well. So we are all in different tradings, right? So I have friends who are in forex, but at the same time in a binary. Then I have those who are fully 100% in crypto, but for them they are long term investors. That is my brother. Then I have friends who are fully into binary options, right? So on my end, I've never really settled for forex, but I respect whoever is doing whatever they are doing, right? Okay. For as long as something is working for you and for as long as we are making money, that's it. All right.
Legacy ain't money. It's who remembers the truth. Stay solid forever, baby.
Okay, so that is Bitcoin.
Yeah. The city never sleeps, it just blinks slow. Dreams buried under street lamps, stories untold. We ain't victims, we authors. We just write our pain in the smoke. Let's talk about it. Yeah.
Caldo, we are having 5,000. That is 500 US dollars. Looking at 2,500 as take profit. Okay, which broker is this? That is a Breezy. This is pocket option. All right. All right, Langa over there. Okay, Langa, when will you try forex? Actually, don't. It's nowhere in my plans. It's nowhere in my plans at all. You know, I am someone who always loves speaking my truth. I've not seen it anywhere around me, in me. Why is Maredi telling me not to try it? Okay. Are you also, or have you ever tried it out? And I do not know, because though you're telling me not to try it, maybe something must have gone wrong. Let me know, Maredi. Then for Lekala, who was in it? How is it, or how was it? Let me know. Patrick. Patrick is saying we need to be on speed pills. Oh dear. Okay. I'm telling you. I cannot be there. I cannot be there. And then I do not have my music on. I can't actually think maybe music is my therapy. I love having music around me so much. Do you know those times when, let me tell you something small as we proceed, those times when I was still in school, and I don't know how weird it is, but to me, I used to find it very, very normal. Holidays, I would come back home and then I get my phone and I'm reading, I'm doing my revisions as or my practices as I listen to music. So that a lot used to annoy my mother so much. She'll be like, "You're not concentrating, you're not paying attention, this, that." But to me, that was a time I would actually understand what I was reading. All right, that was the time I would understand what I was reading. So I am a person of music, and my moods also depend. Like my moods lead me to that particular music that I'm going to listen to. I do not have a particular music, but I'm that kind of person. My moods determine which kind of music that I listen to. So why not? I'm a person of music. I do not know how to sing, shockingly, but I love music so much, so much. Let's go. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. So, Patrick, yes, that is the way to go. That is the way to go. You find that other people they do it differently. We are all different. So, that's why I keep saying you find that even our experiences in trading definitely will be different. So why not? Why not? We stick to it and then we get what we have to get. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. There we have a plus. We have a plus. Let us proceed. We are looking at 2,500 as our take profit for Caldo. Okay, if Pashik, if you say so, if you say so, that is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you, Zita. Okay, today I've not seen. There is that other name that there is that other name for yesterday from South Africa. That is Kebone. I've not seen Kebone today. Where are you? Where are you? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Over here, we are getting more people, more family members registering into our beautiful community, our beautiful circle over here. You're almost welcome. Happy to have you around. I'm so blessed to have you guys in the house. Okay. Thank you, Maredi. He's saying I did my queen the broker. Okay, that's bad. Oh dear. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. That would drive me crazy. So sorry about that. Oh dear. That's not good at all. That's not good at all, at all.
Every corner got a lesson. I survived the nights that swallow hope. Let me take you there.
So, Lekala, you've had that. You've had that. So, take it slow. Take it slow.
Cracks of the pavement talk. How to hustle hard, how to move, what life costs. Every loss in the streets, every friend I lost. Turn my pain into bars, yeah, that's my sauce.
Eyes on the prize while the sirens sing. Life was a gamble, every step of pain. Still I wrote my truth, let my soul hang. Concrete dreams in the city claim. Concrete dreams, we rise through the night. Street lights glow and we fight for the light.
Samia, that is Sami, I think. Sami Ek. Hi, how are you? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. All right. Okay, I love it that people come through, people share. It's really so amazing. It's really so amazing. The different difficulties, the challenges that we have gone through as traders, right? If we share about them, then definitely the people who are looking up to us, they pick up something. They definitely know that, okay, this is what I'm supposed to do here, there, like that. So, Maredi, thank you so much for sharing. And Lekala, we really appreciate. Thank you guys. This or that. Oh my god. Whenever I read this name, I do not know why my heart feels like okay. All right, all right, all right. So whenever I talk about this name, I feel like maybe I'm saying it wrongly, this or that. Okay, what inspired this name? I really don't know. But anyways, as long as you are doing okay, as long as you are doing okay, I have no problem. That's where my happiness comes from. David, just coming now. Are you done? Almost getting done, my dear. I know we all have different challenges that keep us coming through late, but after the session, you could as well replay and watch the session. Okay. All right. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. You're welcome, Sammy. You're welcome, my dear. Thank you for coming through. So, my beautiful peoples, one thing I can say is that thank you so much for coming through. I really do appreciate you. I do appreciate you. So, my list for the donations was actually still long, but if you have seen today, I've gone so slow on the donations because my network has also been playing around, all right? So I've stopped there. We shall proceed tomorrow. So let me just make just a few dollars over here. But it's time for me to go. It's time for me to go. Okay, so my beautiful people, thank you for today. It has been amazing and it's always amazing with you people. So do not miss tomorrow. Let us come through, let us catch up, get the tips, get the experience, and then become amazing traders. Why not? I will be waiting for you tomorrow. Toodles. Okay.
Enemies talk, but I move like a fan who learns silence is power. Every glance I ransom. The city molded me. Patience my anthem. Concrete dreams growing the struggles tandem.
City shadows, we rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Made us kings in the streets, we sustain.
Okay.
City shadows, we rise from the pain.
Lorraine,